Anyways, folks, I know I'm way behind the times, but I got this like stand specifically designed for smartphones. I know I'm way behind the times, you know, and I just figure, you know what, life is short. You better take pictures of yourself while you can. That way, when you croak and die, at least someone will have a memory of you. You'll be on the internet forever. You know what I'm saying? But look, here's the stand I got. It's metal, like the other dudes say, it's metal. Okay? Sure. You can use that to knock somebody over the head. With the crime wave going on in Oakland, pow! Okay, let's open it up. And what the hell, man? Hang on. See what this thing can do. Let me change camera angles. You're gonna have to kind of forgive me, folks. I'm kind of like in rebel mode because I'm tired of spending 2-3 hours on video nobody watch anyways. So we got this thing here. It's pretty cool. It's got, you know, it can do a lot. Hang on, how do I make that thing come back out? I never read the directions. Come on, man. What the hell? I ain't worried about that part. What I'm worried about, and the only thing that matters to me, folks, is the part where it holds the cell phone. This little gadget right here. This is all that matters to me. I don't care about none of that other stuff. Right? I just want to know that this part here works. You screw that on. This here rotates up and down. You know, ba-dee-ba-dee-ba-dee, like your knees. Ba-dee-ba-dee-ba-da-ba-do-ba-dee. Okay? Lock it back down, and let's see what this is real quick. You know, I never read the directions. You should know that by now. This is like some GoPro type stuff. I don't need it. Oh, and it comes with a remote. I'm not quite sure how that works. I guess on your phone. I'll figure it out later. So then what I really want to know, folks, is, does this thing hold my phone? Yes or no? Let's see. Let's see. That's all I want to know. See? That's it. That's all I want to know. Can it hold my phone? That way I can take pictures. Alright? And folks, let's see how tall this thing is. Remember LeBron James was going to win like 10 championships in Miami? Remember that? He's like, remember LeBron James? Not one. Remember that? He was like, not one. Not two. Remember that? Him and Dwayne Wade in Miami. Not three. Not four. God damn, that's out of camera view. Folks, that's... Let me back the camera. That's pretty tall. If you can see it next to my other stand there. That's tall, folks. I'm 6'4", so that's like, I don't know, it's like 5 feet, folks. That's plenty of height, believe me, alright? Now it's time to edit this video. Like I said, I don't get all day to work on this. I only get 3 views. Alright, later and out, it works.
Peace and calm till the dusk of dawn. Calm and cool like when I was in school. But then you grow up and things really change, and now you find yourself living life in the fast lane. Go, 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 get. Every single day is the exact same. Go, 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 get. Every single day it's the exact same. They say go, 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 get. Every single day it's the exact same. Well, I'm sick of the fast lane and industry, and as I age, all it seems to do is drain me.